Hi, this is a video about WorkshopPay and about how you can do terminal payments in your workshop. It's really cool, really easy. What I'm going to do is do an invoice, pull up a customer. I'm just going to do an invoice just for a random amount. I mean, the actual invoice itself in this instance doesn't really matter. We're going to do an invoice here for $130, right? And I'm just going to process this invoice. What happens now is it asks you for payment. So if I choose a payment type that's connected to my terminal and I go process, what happens is it connects to the terminal. I then can tap the card on the terminal. It processes the payment on the terminal. And what you're going to see now is that it's going to come back. It says the payment's processed. But the really cool thing here, what this actually has done, is it will come back with things like the surcharge. So in this instance, we've charged, you can set whatever percentage you want in terms of your setup, or no percentage at all. You don't have to charge a surcharge. That's entirely up to you. But in this instance, we've set this surcharge amount, and you can see here that it's $1.82. So you've gotten that surcharge from the client. It's been presented on the terminal, and this automatically goes into your accounting system as well. So if you're linked to an accounting package, it goes automatically in there as well. Let's go and take a look as if we were connected to Xero. So I've jumped into Xero. You can see we've got this transaction for John Collins automatically come across. What this has done in the background is actually really cool. So it's processed an invoice. It's pushed it to Xero. We've gone and worked out that there was a surcharge. It's gone and modified the invoice. It's added the surcharge onto the Xero invoice. And you can see in here that this has got whatever account that you want to allocate it to. So this has got a surcharge account. You've got the surcharge income. It works out all the tax. It does everything for you, and it processes it all automatically. So from a reconciliation point of view, this just is so now super simple, super easy. I'm showing Xero. This could be the same for QuickBooks, for MYOB, for any accounting package that Workshop software integrates with. So you can see how seamless and easy this is now is, and how easy it's going to be for you to reconcile your payments. It's super easy.